one of Asia's premier behavior-based corporate trainer, the only recipient of the prestigious Washington CSIP Award from SGV and Company for Applied Training Technology. He also became one of the president of Philippine Society for Training and Development. So, without further ado, please welcome our very own Vice President, Mr. Norman Goss.
Thank you. Good morning. So it is our responsibility to really help the problem employees, because management is looking at us. If you are good at that, that is one factor for you to get promoted. Because as you move up the organization, there will be more problems. So you must create the strategy, intervention strategy. You must select the right one. So you must know the right strategy for a given case or problem.